Never miss your favorite show or live event again. With YouTube TV's program alerts, you can get notifications when a show is about to start. Let's show you how to set them up. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and log into your account. Step 2. Find the show or event. Browse through the available content or use the search bar to find the show or a live event you want to receive alerts for. Step 3. Add to library. Once you've selected your show, click on the Add to Library button. This will allow you to track the show and receive alerts when a new episode or a live event is about to begin. Step 4. Set up notifications. After adding the show to your library, go to the Settings section of YouTube TV. Look for the Notifications section and make sure the option to receive alerts for upcoming programs is turned on. Step 5. Receive program alerts. Whenever your show is about to start, YouTube TV will send you a notification so you won't miss it. You can manage or turn off these alerts anytime from the settings. Bonus tip: you can also get alerts for new episodes of shows or upcoming live events that you've added to your library. Stay updated on your favorite shows. Don't forget to subscribe for more YouTube TV tips and tricks. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.